This is my approach for the test assignment question, that is to-do list. This is the to-do list that I have made. As you can see, I have added this item that are present by default. So to mark an item as done, I have to click it, so this will be marked as checked, this way. To mark an item as unchecked, I have to click it back and this item is marked as unchecked. To remove an item completely, I have to click on this remove and that task is removed completely. To add a new item, all I have to do is click on this add an item and write the item play game. Suppose this is the task that I want to add. I will click on this add and this item will be added. So this is how it has been made. Now moving on to the code section. So first of all, the HTML part. This is the basic HTML code that I have written. Title, to-do list, added CSS and font awesome. This is the main container inside which everything has been done. This is the top section inside which that to-do list is written and the text area. This is the text area where I will type in a new task that I want to add, and besides that a span clicking on which this new node create function will be called, that I have made in the JavaScript. This is the plus circle from font awesome for that icon of add item. All the items that are present and that will be added are all list items of an unordered list. So this is the unordered list and these are the list items. So moving on to the CSS part. These are some basic CSS styling things that I have done. This is the main container, width and height, top section, color. This is the unordered list, margin and all that I have done. Every odd child background is set to light green. On hovering, the background is set to orange. When the list item is checked, the background changes to purple, and text decoration line through. This line through helps to get that checked effect, like this. When it is strike, this is strike effect has been done with the help of that line through. So, and this before the check part, I've added this font awesome. When it is checked, I've added this font awesome in the pseudo class before that arrow, that checked icon that is visible. This is checked icon, this is delete node, circle, basic code. Now moving on to the JavaScript part. First of all, I fetched all the list items inside from this var by get element by tag name list items. For each list items, I added this dot create element. This is delete text that I have for that deleting that items, the items that are present already. This is create text node remove. This remove is visible here. This remove, I've added it here. Now I've added it by appending list items dot append child remove. This remove I have append to it. This variable remove I have appended to it. Though append child is used for appending remove to the list items. This is known on clicking. For deleting, I have to click on the remove. So on clicking, the div display set to none. That is, the item is removed. This is the list of unordered list. So how to see when it is clicked? So for clicked, I have added event listener click function. This is the function which will be added on clicking. If clicking target tag name list items, then the toggle checked. This is checked. So function for when the new node is created, it is a list item that is being created. So input value is new elements, input value, the node, talking about create node input value, and it is appended to the existing items, that is at the last of the existing task. The new task is, if input value, that input value text area is blank. So, and if I'm trying to click on it, then it will say empty node cannot be created, else this will be appended to the list items. And this is created. To remove it, removing the new created next item, the remove is being done for each new list item task that is created. So for close on click the function, this is created and div display set to none, so that item will be deleted. So this is my approach. Thank you.